Presenting a pre-owned 2011 BMW. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include cold weather package, premium sound package, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, keyless entry, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, DVD player, Bluetooth, and power windows.